Hey everyone, Tom AppsKit here. Welcome back to another honest review. Today I am reviewing AppsKitPro. That is a software I have been waiting to review. Well, not this software, but something like this for a long time. The reason is I think this is a software that is so necessary. I want one of these for a long time. It's such a powerful idea. Now we're going to go and review this today. I'm going to show you if it's really worth the hype, etc. My bonuses, of course, and it's going to be 100% honest, 100%. I'm going to try and make it fun. Now, I'm not going to try and make it fun. I'm just going to review this, right? Now, I'm going to start with the sales page. I'm going to go to the sales page. We're going to go over it a little bit, right? Read a little bit so we can understand what the claims are, what they want to promise you. And from there, we're going to compare those claims to the actual software and how it works. I'm going to show you now, word of caution, this is a big software, huge software. There are some functions which are very simple to make it easy for you to get started, but there is going to be a somewhat of a learning curve if you want to create these amazing huge apps that can be sold for 6, 7, 8 figures, right? Now, let's start with the sales page. Freakishly simple, all-in-one cloud platform, churns out full-blown mobile apps. Discover how you can tap into 1.8 trillion with a T industry using 1.8 billion with the industry using this using this unbelievably simple, foolproof cloud-based system without any prior experience or tech skills, and it's 100% hands-free. Warning, what you're about to witness might simply blow off all of your excuses for not making money online. So this is fancy. Now I can tell you from the get-go, they are under-promising. They're trying to make the sales page clean. They say, huge industry, unbelievable, full club, a lot of noise. I'm going to tell you for a fact, these apps that they create, even the simplest ones, can be sold for thousands of dollars just like that. In fact, I would recommend that as well, that you sell these. Now you have two ways to sell, right? One is to go ahead and find clients, potential clients, and offer them the service of creating apps. It is very easy in the idea part because usually the clients already know what they want and they're looking for an app developer to create it for them. And then you can go ahead and tell them if you can create that or not, and you can go ahead and create them, right? And make a sale. There is another way which is easier to sell because it's very hard to find clients. So there's another way. It's easier to sell, way easier, way easier. But you need ideas, right? You need to come up with your own app ideas, and that's where it gets hard. But I'm gonna take care of that for you in this review and in my bonuses. Okay, let's continue. So essentially, this is an app creator. Apps are huge, right? They're massive, $1.8 trillion industry, and the software promises to create these for you. Etc. I know it's going to be a super low price compared. I've seen an app something similar to this. I think it was sold for like $1,000 a year, right? It was a very high ticket app. But the point is, these apps, the serious ones like this one, which have really good technical features, they are very expensive. And that's because there's just a lot of technical stuff going behind it. But I know the people who are behind this app are very talented. They are very successful. And I know they work really hard for their customers. I don't know what their end goal for this app is. They're probably going to sell it for $1,000 or something over time. But I can tell you 100% that for now it's going to be way more affordable. Now let's get into the app, right? This is where the magic happens. This app is huge. It is not a small app by any means. It's just, I haven't seen anything like this in my life, right? Even for $1,000, nothing this. So there's gonna be some sort of learning curve when you get started, right? Let's go to the dashboard. So dashboard showing you the apps and everything. Now, if you go to, I'm not gonna go over each tab because some of them are self-explanatory. Some of them you'll want to learn and discover on your own. I'm gonna go over the key points, which in my opinion are super critical for you to understand before buying this, because after you buy this, you'll be able to explore the whole software. But before buying this, you want to know exactly what you're getting into, right? How the app creator looks like, etc. Let's click on Manage Apps. We got 4 apps here. It's a common JV account. I don't even have my own account yet. I'm gonna buy it probably or something, or maybe not, I don't know. So maybe they're gonna give it to me for free. I don't know, depending on how it's gonna work, right? So we have 4 apps here that were created. The one I created today is called Boss Outlet. It's just a joke, you know. But what I do want to review actually right now, because it took me a while to create the app, I want to review this marketing alliance type, right? This is the app that was created by their demo, right? If you go to their demo, you can see that this app was created. It's the exact one, okay? It was created in their demo. That's the app they're using in the demo. Now that is a very cool app because they created it in just a few minutes. It was very, very powerful. They're experts, you know, obviously they're the creators. They can do it really quickly, etc., etc., etc. But if we go ahead and go into create app, this is the section where the app is created, right? You get to a point where you can design the app, build the app, and publish the app. What we want to do right now is to, if I'm not going to touch it because it's the Marketing Alliance app, but you go ahead and you can design the app, whatever the design you want it to be. Then you build the features of the app. You can add push notifications. You can add a website. It could be a website list. What else? The good one that I've seen, it could be a forms. You can mix and match different features to create a different app. So you can create a huge variety of apps, right? Depending on how you add the features, how you design the app, branding, etc. You can play with it and create a really impressive app if you want to. But these apps that you really want to make millions with, the huge apps, will take you a long time to create, not one day. I'm telling you, because there's a process going on. You need to have a good plan of what the idea of the app will be, the features, how it goes, how it's exactly designed, how the user journey goes. These are different things. I'm not going to recommend you to start with those at the beginning. In fact, at the beginning, I'm going to recommend you to use the very basic features that they give you and just create an app as quickly as you can. The first time is going to take probably about an hour to learn everything, but from there it's going to be a few minutes, 15 minutes to create a good app that you can sell for anywhere from $500 to $3,000, right? And you can have all these different features. You can mix and match them and add whatever you want. If you don't understand what each feature is, you can go ahead and just click on this, right? So notification. A push notification is a message that pops up on a mobile device. You can send your customer push notification at any time. Users don't have to be in the app, blah, 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 blah. So you can go ahead and have it activated. All these different things that you have built into the app. It's super simple. Now, after we're done, we would want to go ahead and publish the app. Before we publish the app, before we actually go ahead and send it to the stores and have all those different things, right? We want to go to a place called we're going to go to the app. I'm going to go and log into the app admin, right? The area behind the app, right? Now, this is where you really go into all the depth inside the app, and you can. This is where you will spend most of your time if you want to create a huge app, right? This is where most of your effort will go to. While that section is more of an overview section, a publishing section, and design section, you won't spend a lot of time on these. This is the section where you spend the most time on, hands down, if you want to create a huge, successful, awesome app. But if you want to create a simple app, you still need to touch a few areas here. If we go to settings and the home screen of the app, you can see how the home screen of the app looks like. And this is a cool one, right? We'll go to assign and change function. And this creates a heat map that you can create and move around. And essentially each of these is a function that you have assigned to the image, right? So you have this image that you have designed inside the app or outside the app, whatever you want to go, wherever you want to design it. But if you go and you have the image, and you can put heat maps or places functions on that image, so people, when they click with their fingers, because it's a mobile app, right, on call outs, notification, FAQ, tickets, you will go to different places. It will send them to different places. This is the home page. And then, because this is the Marketing Alliance app, the point of this app is to, well, I know the Event Marketing Alliance. The point of that probably to get people to join the sign up to the Marketing Alliance events, to their email list, to get notified for future events, and obviously from there on to attend the events. So they want to they want you to call them. They want you to get notifications from them. They want to, if you have any questions, you can click the FAQ. You can book a meeting if you click on the logo. Reserve a seat, you can book a ticket, right? You can have Facebook, Instagram essentially sending you to these pages. So this is the app. You log into the app and then you simply just go around the app for wherever you want to go, right? You can, okay, I want to know what's going on with the Marketing Alliance. What's the next Marketing Alliance events? You go to the phone, you go to the app, and you click on, let's see, you go to the phone and you click on this one, right? Book my place now to Barcelona. Okay, next one is Barcelona. I'm going to click on that, right? Super simple, but that's after the design, right? You can create it inside the software, outside the software. Professional designer, or use an image designer software, depending on the software. But that's it. If you want to, I can give you access to. Actually, I'm gonna add this to the bonuses. I haven't planned to add this. I'm going to add this to the first 50 people only, because I'm not sure even if I can properly do it. I mean, if I have all the rights to completely give you that as a gift, but I'm going to give it to you and deal with the issues myself later. But the goal is I'm going to give you access to a software called AdBuddy, which creates images, very high converting images, ads, and images like these you can go ahead and create there. It's going to be really nice images that you can use in your apps, you can use in your marketing. I'm going to give you a free account to that, right? And that sells for about, I think maybe $67 a month, or maybe $97 one time. Can't remember. I sold the app, AdBuddy. I sold it to a new owner in September last year, so it's not mine anymore. But I'm gonna get you fixed with a few accounts so you can play around and have fun, right? So yeah. Anyway, these are the these are the main functions. But if you really want to go really deep, we can go ahead and go to the autopilot mode. I'm going to exit this panel. This is inside the app, right, where you mess with the app. You can have all these different features: employee schedules, campaigns, features, forms, product picker. You can spend hours here and just enjoy a huge amount of features. Let's go to create app. Not publish app, build app, right? We're going to click on autopilot. Okay, it's active. But I wanna play with the autopilot feature. By the way, you can create marketing material, you can create posters, so you can see how it looks like. Let me show you. So this is Marketing Alliance poster. Select the template. Okay, so this is a poster you can create this is essentially to create marketing materials to market your app inside the software. So it's all done for you. It's all inside. It's very, very simple, very powerful. I love the software, okay? Automail content, was it there? There was an area. Can't find it. Maybe it's inside the app. Okay, yeah, the campaigns. Okay, autopilot. Now this is also built into the software. This is also one of my favorite features. It is essentially an autoresponder inside the software. So you, depending on the autopilot type, if you select sign up, this message will be sent to your new app downloaders, people who buy it. You can do it paid or free, right? Who buy it, you can send them a message via sign up, or you can send them a message as a reminder. So if sign up is once they sign up, they get this message once, right? If you go for a reminder, it's more of a autopilot reminder mode. You can select times. It goes really deep, really crazy. You can create a full campaign, and it's once again just like a full-blown autoresponder. Imagine you have an app creator, a high-quality app creator. You have an autoresponder inside. You have design inside. You have publishing inside. It's just a huge huge software. So it can be really overwhelming, in my opinion, for a beginner. So what I would recommend you as a beginner, or someone who just wants to create a few apps and sell for a good amount of money, but not these huge apps, I would recommend you just follow their demo video right here, 11 minutes and 11 seconds, which is a pretty cool number. Just follow this demo video, and it's going to teach you everything you need to know to create a very basic app. As you grow, as you become better in the software, you will create much better softwares, much better apps, which will sell for more money, which will be more impressive, and you will definitely love these apps more. Now let's talk about the actual bonuses I have for you. I have a few bonuses for you which are very powerful. First off, I just added the AdBuddy one live on camera. I did not plan it because I just thought it can help you with the marketing materials. Then the second bonus I have is I'm sorry. The second bonus I have is essentially, at the beginning of the video, I told you that you can sell these apps for a good amount of money. You have two ways to market your apps, essentially, right? You can publish them on the App Store, but you know, it's very competitive. It's going to take you a while to get the traffic coming. I would not recommend that to a beginner. Actually, what I would recommend to you as a beginner is to sell it, the apps, done for you apps, sell it as a service and make money with this, right? But you have two ways to do that. You can go ahead and find a client, chase clients, find clients, and offer them a service. The benefit is that they will actually have an idea most of the times for an app, and they're just looking for someone to create the app for them. You can get paid pretty well for this, but not too much, right? And the second option, which in my opinion is far more profitable, it's been done before 100 times around me in my circle of friends, of JVs, or affiliates, and it is very powerful, and it is to flip these apps. Now, what do I mean by flip? Flipping is very simple. You just go ahead, you create an app with a good idea inside this good software, and you sell it. That's it. You already sell it. Now, the benefit of this is that the clients are already there. I'm going to show you a place very easy to find. It's very easy to sell if you have a good idea. The only condition is that you have a really good idea, because the app itself, the app creation itself, is taken care of by the software, right? So you know you're going to have a good app. The problem is coming up with an idea that is both good and unique. And I'm going to give you done for you ideas as the first bonus. Okay, I'm going to give you a done for you ideas as the first bonus in this bonus package. And another bonus you can check out below, also related to how to make good money with this. I'm going to show you everything. It's going to be very powerful. The goal of these bonuses is so you can make within maybe tomorrow, even have an app ready you can sell within the next week for $3,000, $2,000, $1,000 with ease, right? Without any issues. So I'm going to give that to you, as well as access to AdBuddy, so you can go ahead and create your own ads, marketing materials, etc., and using the app, using your marketing. It's a very premium app, and you can have an account to that. To that, just remember to be very quick when you see my email that this went live, AppsKitPro. Go ahead and quickly grab it. It goes live on October 22nd, October 22nd. No. It goes live on October 16th. Okay, yeah, my bad. It goes live on October 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so 10 a.m. Eastern time, it goes live on October 16th. When it does, go and get it through my link. I'll get a commission. You'll get these bonuses, and you will be on your way to make a lot of money with this software. Have a great software in your hands for a one-time payment. And of course, you're going to have access to another premium software called AdBuddy. These bonuses, very limited. 50 people for AdBuddy, 100 people for the other bonus. So I may extend AdBuddy depending on how I will have, how many rights, how many licenses I'll be able to give you after I finish giving the 50. The point is, this goes to a list of 13,000 after cleaning. With about 2,000 opens. So there's going to be a lot of people who will want these bonuses. So be really quick. Get it as quickly as possible. I'm going to send you email updates and tell you what bonuses and when they disappear and how many are left, of course. But still, be quick, because this will run out really fast. Thank you so much for watching this honest review. I hope you enjoyed this review of AppsKit Pro. If you have any questions or whatever, complaints, let me know. I'm going to be here to answer them as best as I can. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.